How to create a QR code for your Facebook page. First, open the Facebook app and tap the profile icon at the top. Next, on your page, tap the profile icon again to open the page view. Tap the three dots next to edit or follow. Scroll down until you see the copy link option. Then tap copy link. Your Facebook page link is now copied. Now, open any browser like Chrome and search QR code generator. You can use any free site like www.qrcodegenerator.com. Once the site loads, paste your copied Facebook link. Tap generate or create QR code. Boom! Your QR code is ready. Tap the download button to save the QR code image to your phone. Now you can print it, share it, or use it anywhere for the quick access to your page. And that's how you create a QR code for your Facebook page using your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.